take command of the road in the 2005 Acura MDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Acura prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, a roof rack, and power front seats. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.